Hello students, we are doing chapter number 18 mensuration, and today we will start exercise 18.3. In this exercise you will learn how to find the volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So first solid we have cuboid. Cuboid is in the shape of like this. You can see length is there, breadth is there, and then height also will be there. So if you are measuring above level means then we will call it height, and if you are measuring below then we will call it depth. So this is a 3-dimension figure which is having length, breadth and height. So to find out the volume of a cuboid we have formula length into breadth into height, cubic unit, because length, breadth and height 3 we are multiplying, so 3 unit cubic unit will be there. Or we can say volume of cuboid, area of base into height, because length into breadth means area of base. This is the base, length into breadth base, and if you multiply base with height then also you will get volume. Second solid we have cube. Little difference is there. You can see this dice, this is a cube, and in this length, breadth and height all three will be same. So same formula we will use, L into B into H, and in place of L, B and H we will substitute A. So volume of cube we will get A cube, cubic unit. Then next, third solid we have cylinder. Cylinder is in the shape of like this. Sometime it will be a hollow cylinder or a solid cylinder or like this ring shape. So this base will be in the shape of circle, and this we will call the height of cylinder. So volume of cylinder will be area of base into height. So area of base we can find out with the help of circle area formula, pi r square, because this base is in the shape of circle. So pi r square, and then when we will multiply with height then we will get the formula pi r square h cubic unit. Now we will start exercise 18.3. Question number 1. The volume of a cube is 343 centimeter cube. Find the length of an edge of cube. Edge means here one side we have to find out. So given is here volume of cube. We will start from this only. Volume of cube is given, which is equal to 343 centimeter cube. And the formula for volume of cube is A cube, means length into breadth into height, A into A into A, which is equal to 343. And this 343 we will do the factor, and then we will get this is equal to 7 to the power 3. 7 into 7 into 7 we will get 343. So power to power we can cancel out, and then we will get A is equal to 7 centimeter. It means one side of cube is equal to 7 centimeter. Next, question number 2. Fill in the following blank. First part, volume of cuboid is given, length we have to fill, breadth and height is given. So here volume is given, we will start from the volume. Volume of cuboid is equal to 90 centimeter cube, and volume of cuboid formula is length into breadth into height is equal to 90 centimeter cube. Length we don't know, we have to find out. Breadth is given 5 centimeter and height is given 3 centimeter, equal to 90. Now L we will keep this side, and 5 and 3 we can shift another side. It will go for division. Now do cancellation, 330 times and 5 6. It means the length is equal to 6 centimeter. So here in this gap 6 centimeter will come. Next, second part, volume of cuboid we have to find out. Length, breadth and height is given. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Substitute the values, 15 into 8 into 7. 15 8 120 and 120 into 7 840. Unit will be centimeter cube. Next, third part, volume of cuboid is given, length is given, breadth is given, and we have to find out the height. So volume of cuboid is equal to 62.5 centimeter cube, which is equal to length into breadth into height. And you can compare with this 62.5, substitute the value, length is 10 and breadth is 5, height we have to find out. Now only height we will keep here, remaining two numbers we can shift another side, it will go for division, cancel out, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja and 0.5 times. Then height is equal to, if we divide with 10, decimal will shift one place left side, so 1.25 centimeter. Next, question number 3, find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 312 centimeter cube and base area is 26 centimeter square. So volume of cuboid is given, which is equal to 312 centimeter cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, equal to 312. This length into breadth, this we can call as base area also. So length into breadth is equal to base area into height, equal to 312. So base area is given 26 and height we have to find out. So 26 we can shift another side, it will go for division, cancel out, 2 13 times, 2 1 5 and 6 times, then again 13 1 ja, 13 1 and 2 ja 26. So height of this cuboid is 12 centimeter. Next we have question number 4. A godown is in the form of cuboid of 55 into 45 into 30 meter. How many cubical boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one cube box is 1.25 meter cube? So we have to find out here number of boxes, how many we can keep in this godown. So number of boxes is equal to volume of godown divided by volume of one box. So volume of godown is, it is in the shape of cuboid, means length into breadth into height, 55 into 45 into 30, and volume of one box is given 1.25. So we can remove this decimal, we can increase 2 zeros in denominator and we can write it as 125. Now cancel it, 5 11 time, 5 2 time and 5 time. Again 5 5 ja 25, 5 600 times, then 5 120 times. Then we have to multiply 11 into 45 into 125, which we will get equal to 59400. So these many boxes we can keep in this godown. Next, question number 5. A rectangular pit 1.4 meter long, 90 centimeter broad and 70 centimeter deep was dug out and 1000 bricks of base 21 centimeter by 10.5 centimeter were made from the earth dug out. Find the height of each brick. So what we are doing here, from the mud whatever we are getting from this pit, we are converting into the bricks. So the volume of total brick should be equal to the volume of dug out, and here we have to find out the height of each brick. So we will take, let height of each brick is equal to h centimeter. So volume of total bricks is equal to volume of earth dug out, because the same earth only we are converting into the bricks, so the volume will be same. Total we have 1000 bricks here and each brick volume will be length into breadth into height. Length is given 21 centimeter, breadth is given 10.5 and height we have taken as h. And volume of earth dug out is in the shape of this rectangular pit. So 1.4 into 90 into 70, 1.4 meter into 90 centimeter and into 70 centimeter. So if you observe, you will find out this, this and this. These four units are in centimeter. Only this is in meter. So this also we will convert into meter. So we'll get 1000 into 21 into 10.5 into h is equal to 140 centimeter into 90 centimeter into 90 centimeter. So all the units should be same. Now only this h we will keep here and other remaining numbers we will shift another side. This is 70 centimeter. So all these numbers will come for denominator division 21 into 10.5. Now do the cancellation. 1 0 we can cancel, one more 0 we can cancel and third 0 also we can cancel. 7 3s are 21 and 3 3s are 9 we can cancel. So we have height is equal to 14 into 3 by 105. 1 0 we can include here. Remove this decimal and increase 1 0. Now cancel out. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are and 1s are, 3 2s are and 3 7 and 7 1s are, 7 2s are 14. So height we are getting here 4 centimeter. Next question number 6. If each edge of a cube is tripled, then find how many times will its volume become. So we will take first, let initial edges a centimeter, then initial volume will be a cube centimeter cube. You can write here unit also or centimeter also. Now according to the question we have to triple the edge. So increased edge is 3a. Triple means 3 times we have to do. Then increased volume will be 3a whole cube. 3a into 3a into 3a. So 3 times we have to multiply and after multiplication we will get 27a cube. So this increased volume is 27 times of the initial volume, because a cube is the initial volume. 27 times of initial volume. You can take here any number also in place of a. If you want any number you can take 1 2 3 or any other number. Then same thing you can do with number also. Next question number 7. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.4 meter, height is 8 meter. Find the quantity of milk in the liter that can be stored in the tank. So quantity of milk we have to find out. It means first we have to find out the volume of this cylindrical tank. So volume of cylindrical tank is equal to pi r square h. This is a formula to find out the volume of a cylinder. Pi we have to keep 22 by 7. If it is given 3.14 then only you will keep that value, otherwise 22 by 7. R is given here 1.4 meter. So r square means 2 times we have to take radius and height is given 8 meter. Now do the cancellation. 7.2 times it will cancel out and multiply everything, you will get 49.28 meter cube. So the volume of cylinder is 49.28 meter cube, but we have to find out it into liter and we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So to change meter cube into liter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So therefore the volume of tank is equal to 49.28 into 1000 liter. So we'll get here 49280 liter. Next, question number 8. A closed box is made of 2 cm thick wood with external dimension 84 cm, 75 cm, 64 cm. Find the volume of the wood required to make the box. So external dimension are given here for box 84, 75 and 64. First we will find out the internal dimension. Because the wood is 2 cm thick, so both the side, length, breadth and height, from each side we will minus 2. So length from one side 2 and another side 2 means we have to subtract 4 from this. So internal dimension will be 84 minus 4 means 80 centimeter. Similarly for breadth also 75 minus 4, 71 centimeter, and height also 64 minus 4, 60 centimeter. To find out the volume of wood, first we need to find out the external volume, and then from external volume we will minus the internal volume. Then we will get the volume of the wood. So external volume is equal to, we will take dimension according to the external, 84 into 75 into 64, which is equal to 403200 centimeter cube. Similarly, we will find out internal volume also. We will take the internal dimension now, 80 into 71 into 60, which after multiplication we will get 340800 centimeter cube. Now we can find out the volume of wood. Volume of wood will be equal to external volume minus internal volume. So external volume we have calculated 403200 and internal volume 340800, and we can subtract it. After subtraction we will get 62400 centimeter cube. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.